Love you, Max, yo!
Anyway, guys, I'm still shocked what is going on in this video, guys. I don't expect people to show love with Umeli because last night after eviction, people were celebrating with Umeli. He is leaving finally, guys. Uthandeka, she's going to be alone. It looks like social media is fake, guys. When it comes to the real world, people do love Umeli, guys. When it comes to Umeli, he needs to do a self-reflection, honestly speaking, guys. There's some things that Umeli needs to sit down and look at himself and say what went wrong. Yes, I do understand that people are still complaining, say it's eviction. They don't understand what went wrong because Umeli has a strong fan base compared to Bravo B. But guys, at the end of the day, respect is very important. You could tell what Umeli was ready to expose the biggie, guys. I don't know, maybe there are things that he knows we doesn't know. Maybe there are people that he knows from the production team. Yeah, and Uliema, guys, there's something that they know they're not telling us. That some people are saying, Uliema already know that she has won the 2 million rand. She's taking the 2 million rand. I don't know how. We're gonna find out on Saturday, guys. On Sunday, yeah, I think it's Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure, guys. Remind me in the comment section. So when it comes to Aisha and Kotsam, I was always voting for Aisha. Right now, I don't know which one to vote. I'm just like Aisha, guys. I wish Aisha all the best, guys. You know, for him, he didn't want the 2 million. He just wanted, you know, a fame so that he can work with brands. I wanted him to go to top 5 so that he can be a DSTV ambassador like Abu Jojo, Abu Ntoko, guys. You still remember Abu Muchini? They are working with brands right now. I wish that for Aisha Nkosame, guys. So Aisha is such a good solo, guys. He's a good person. He deserves all the good things. So, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday, happy Italians. I don't know, guys. You know, guys, I don't wish to be Italian this week, honestly speaking. So it is what it is. Bye.